How to subscribe to the ReversingLabs Enrichment APIs for Microsoft Sentinel. In this video, you'll see how to subscribe to the ReversingLabs Enrichment APIs for Microsoft Sentinel. Starting in the Azure Marketplace, search for ReversingLabs. Click the ReversingLabs Enrichment APIs for Sentinel offer. After clicking the offer, you will be redirected to the offer overview. Review the details, including plans and pricing, then select the offer you wish to purchase. After confirming the plan, you will be redirected to the offer deployment screen in your Azure tenant. You will see the offer listing details once again, along with more information about each available plan and details such as support contacts. Select the plan you wish to purchase from the drop-down menu, then click the Subscribe button. Next, select the subscription and resource group you wish to associate with the plan for billing purposes. Under SaaS details, provide a friendly name for the subscription. Review the selected plan and pricing, and select if you wish to enable recurring billing. Please note that the pricing in this video is used for testing purposes. Click Next to add tags if necessary. Then click Next again for the final review and subscribe page. Click the Subscribe button to finalize the transaction. After the order is complete, click the Configure Account Now button. You will be taken to a landing page to activate the subscription. Fill out the form, including first name, last name, company, country, and state. Click the Activate button. You will then be directed to the Subscription Status page. This page will show you your subscription status, the credentials to be used to authenticate to the APIs, and the details about each API. If you need to reset the API credentials, click the Reset RL Credentials button. After a few minutes, refresh the page to validate that the subscription has been activated. You should see a green subscribed value in the subscription status field. If you need to cancel the subscription, you can use the link available in the landing page, or go directly to your SaaS resources in Azure. Select the SaaS offer created earlier. In the SaaS resource blade, you can view information about the SaaS offer. You can also change the plan, edit recurring billing, and cancel the subscription entirely. If you do decide to cancel the subscription, you will be presented a feedback survey prior to cancellation. Any feedback is greatly valued to help us ensure the best possible experience. Click Cancel to finalize the cancellation process. Thank you for subscribing. Be sure to also check out our other offerings for Microsoft Azure, including our ransomware threat detection feed, as well as our ReversingLabs Content Pack solution for Microsoft Sentinel. Click the link in the description below to learn more about our Azure offerings.